Yeah, so as I told, the durability part, the bead durability that we have further strengthened on our regular tires, the cut and chip part which we have strengthened on the tread by doing some innovative material as well as construction technologies. So these are the two things that we have done in EnduTrax, and also we have a good system of integrating, pulling back all the new technologies which are getting developed in parallel in the R&D centers into these products as way of periodic product upgrades.
Fashion. What was the rationale and idea behind doing this live demo?
Thank you for this opportunity. Well, as they say that we are a performance brand and we deliver trusted performance. There is no better way to actually experience performance. So the whole thought is that today consumers only believe when they see it for themselves or when they hear it from their own people. That is the true idea of bringing our customers to one of the best facilities, which is NATRAX, not just in India but in Asia, on a track like this, where you can really see with your own eyes tippers which are loaded 50 to 60 tons are maneuvering the terrains, the ups and the downs, the gravel, the sand, the slush, and see that the tires perform just the way they are needed by the tippers or by our customers. So the whole inspiration is that experience speaks for itself, and that's what we wanted to give to our customers.
Trust me, we have put the toughest technologies we have in our EnduTrax range. So this tire is designed for the Indian applications, where in India we have overload as a matter of fact thing in our applications, and these tippers which move inside these rugged terrains, then they also have to run on roads at speed to deliver their cargo. So what we need is the tire should be tough in these terrains and should also be capable of taking the speed runs on the roads. That's precisely what we have put in this EnduTrax range. We have the Acto casing, which gives the best durability performance, over which we have built in the reinforced bead structure with specific special materials which have been included, and some design aspects which we have worked on in the bead to take care of all the load transfers which happen in these up and down terrains. So that gives the casing the strength to take all the loads and the speeds on the road. The tread area, we have put in a layered material technology wherein we always ensure that the tread is flexible. Tread bends, buckles, but does not tear in all these conditions. So that's what we have done here by the material as well as the tread design technologies.
Sure, as my colleague Prashant said here, that these tires are designed to deliver in the toughest condition. Now, one of the most important thing is that they do not fail when they really need to be performing. So it is designed to deliver, even though the fuel efficiencies are not very good on tippers. But what is most important is tire can do the job of seeing that the energy is transferred through his tread for what the truck is designed for, thereby enabling whatever fuel efficiency that a tipper segment has. Now, we also believe that they are best suited for the Indian conditions when they are developed for it, and as a result, customers want as much life that is possible out of the tires, anywhere between 50 to 55,000 kilometers is what we get from our customers in terms of the testimony that our tires are delivering on it. We believe that we will continue to be a market leader because we are constantly innovating on our technology by working closely with the leading OEMs, whether it is Tata or Ashok Leyland, as well as working with the large fleet customers, so that we develop product which is proven by both the OEM as well as our customers. And we want to be the market leaders. We are already 35% market leader, and with the whole build India, and the infrastructure boom that's happening there, we only see that this market is going to grow more than 10 to 15% year on year. Today it's 200,000 tires a month, and we will continue to see that growth.
So it's about again understanding this application and what are the forces which are coming on the tread, and testing all the innovations that we develop, test it to fail. That's what we do, the rigorous testing that we do, multiple options that we have tried out, we have perfected it by always validating them. And the best of the results which we have got out of all these validations, we have integrated into the tread rubber technologies as well as the casing technologies. So that's where we understand the application, start from the application, prepare our hypothesis, we develop technologies, then validate those technologies in a very tough manner. And those technologies which come through these validations, we integrate into this product.
So we are a full range player, Apollo Tyres. We play right from two-wheeler, three-wheeler segments to cars, SUVs, tractors, moving on to the MHCV segment. You can name it, whether it is your tippers, whether it is your regular mixed application, long haul applications, trucks of all sizes, of all tonnages. We play in the light duty LCVs, we play in pickups, we play in small commercial vehicles, we play in tractors, we play in construction equipment vehicles, industrial equipment. I don't think there is any machine that moves on earth, Apollo Tyres do not make tires for them. So we have the full range. We have our global R&D technology based here out of India, and we've got access to best of the technologies because we also have plants and R&D in Europe, and that makes Apollo Tyres a truly global Indian brand. And we believe that technology is one of our strong pillars, and we bring affordable products with trusted performance, and that's what our customers love about Apollo Tyres, and we'll continue to give them that in the coming years as well. So we have 5 plants in India where different tires for different categories, vehicle types are made. Even for the tipper segment, we have it, whether it is in Perambara, whether it is in Kamlaseri, or whether it is in our other plants. But we have a very robust supply chain management, and we've got one of the India's most extensive dealer network with more than 5,000 dedicated dealers just for Apollo. And if I count multi-brand and other smaller dealers, that number can go up to 20 to 25,000. So no matter which part of the country our customers are, we reach out to them through our own distribution centers, which is there in most of our states, provinces, and then through the dealers reach out to them. We also have a very strong customer service team who have a direct connect with the fleet customers, whether it is in the mines where they are located, whether it is in the big transport nagars. We are constantly in touch with them, and today in the world of digital, we can even provide them the latest product knowledge, training, as well as help them get more professional in their business by providing them different assistance. So all this gives us a lot of confidence that we are very closely connected with our customers and are able to serve them basis their needs. Truck manufacturers are definitely developing latest technology, whether it is telematics, whether it is fleet monitoring system, whether these are fleet solutions. We as Apollo Tyres have also come up with our own fleet solutions called Evolve, which is right now at a nascent stage where it is about managing your tires completely digitally, and helping you get most out of your tires, because we can monitor the tire wear and tear, we can monitor where they are, any part of the country, we help you maintain them, and as a result we are progressing along with our customers ability to monetize the assets to the maximum possible, including tires. And that's one definite a new startup at our end which is completely digital. And then speaking about IoT and ML, I think I can talk about what goes into the production of the tires back in our factory. We are using Industry 4.0 to see that we are able to give the best tires with least wastage, maximum efficiencies, and as a result give better services to our customers, and provide the full range, because the complexity of managing and producing a range is also can be digitized and can be managed electronically, which our company is pretty confident of. Touch upon it, then I'll ask Prashant to come in. So like I said, we have a customer service team. So they do vehicle monitoring for our customers, and they from time to time tell them about the health of the tires, including their inflation pressure, including the tread wear, inspection from an exterior body of the tire as to how it's shaping. The Evolve startup that I spoke about has TPMS fitted in it, RFID, which actually gives on the dashboard of the truck the driver an alert if the tire pressure is not maintained. Not only he gets alerted, but even the fleet owner, fleet manager sitting at the head office, and therefore there can be a very quick remedial action done, whether in terms of getting the tire with the right pressure or if it needs any other assistance. So these are some of the things that we do. Prashant, you want to add anything to this?
So currently the awareness of TPMS is slowly only building, but the adoption of TPMS we are not seeing across the fleets, partly because of the cost the costs that are involved. So as people get more and more aware, and as the fleets become bigger and more aggregated, then possibly these TPMS solutions should come in. It's already coming in where fleets where there is a tubeless tire usage, mostly on a regional on-road kind of application, not in tipper. But in tubeless, there is still there is already an awareness coming up of TPMS, and gradually it has to seep in the customer community.
So number one is that application to fit is extremely important in this segment, and we have specialized product proven and tested for performance, and that is very critical that you use EnduTrax for the tipper segment. The second thing is we work very closely with the OEMs and our tipper customers to work with them to develop the product and demonstrate that our product does great with them, and as a result we continue to get their advocacy in terms of buying into the Apollo product technology proposition. The number three thing is that, like my colleague said, that there is a lot that goes into the behavior of the driver in the vehicle maintenance, and new technologies or startups like Evolve and other training that we do through our service team is very, very critical for us to show people how you can extend more life out of our products, not just for EnduTrax but across our entire range, because we believe that at Apollo Tyres we just don't provide great products, we provide great people and we provide great services that they bring along to deliver a complete solution to them. So those are the three things that I think at Apollo we really look at in terms of delivering to our customers.
Yeah, so as I told, the durability part, the bead durability that we have further strengthened on our regular tires, the cut and chip part which we have strengthened on the tread by doing some innovative material as well as construction technologies. So these are the two things that we have done in EnduTrax, and also we have a good system of integrating, pulling back all the new technologies which are getting developed in parallel in the R&D centers into these products as way of periodic product upgrades.